Welcome to the distributorship plan, which can give you freedom of sales worldwide without worry of stocks. Now in this video, I will show you how the website works and looks. Many types of websites are available in the market. Here you will be getting e-commerce website with distributorship plan where you can sell products and services. It is a type of website that allows you to buy or sell physical products, services, and digital products. After confirming your distributorship, our team of developers takes 240 hours, or you can say 12 to 15 working days, to complete your website, which will look like this. This is how a completely hazard-free website looks. The most asked question by our customer is, what is the best way to display our products or services in our website? Don't worry, we have designed your website in such a way that you can display all your products and services beautifully at your homepage only. Now the question is how to highlight the products. Very simple. Now you can easily put promotional banners at front-end display of your website. We are very fond of seeing new things. Keep changing the banners and displaying products will psychologically encourage your customers to revisit the website. In this world, trusting someone is a big challenge. What makes us believe in a virtual shop is what other customers are saying about the products and the services. Put your customers' testimonial videos on your website homepage just in one click. It will make your website more user-friendly. You can add category symbols and icons at your menu bar only. This will help your customers to check your available products easily. Make finding products easy for your customers. Type the product you are searching for in the search bar and get search results. We are dropshipping worldwide on behalf of you, so you can add any currency to make it more user-friendly. Content is the king. The richer the content is, the better the rank is in the search results. Adding more content and keywords will help the SEO to show your website in top rank in terms of search results. We have designed multiple template-based CMS pages to display your contents real easy and quick. Now you will have no boundaries as you can display any number of products with multiple high-resolution pictures and videos as well. Like any other competitive websites, you can give your customers filters to choose by color, size, and more. Let your customers sort products by their priorities. Your customers can wishlist and buy products before logging in. You can add 8 pictures and 2 videos for each product. More pictures or videos of the same product increases the sellability. Product videos makes the task easy to gain trust of the buyer. The more they see, the more they buy. Show product detailing and color options to make the purchase decision easy. You can put unlimited product details in the product details page, which will help the SEO to rank your website in search results. Help your customers to get to know more about you, which will let your customers to gain more trust. Good contents and keywords will help the SEO to rank your website in the search results. Give your customers an easy and comfortable login option, which will help your website to decrease the bounce rate. Checkout should be easy and comfortable. This is another way to let the customers complete the purchase and not to replace your website with 1,000 others. So we have taken special care for this. The payment gateways should be the most comfortable and easy to go. More payment gateway integrations will make the purchase more user-friendly for the customers. It's such an easy to handle application. It will save the money of the Photoshop expert and the developer to change or add new banners, theme and colors. Apart from these, you can get more trending features like you can add featured products groups on your homepage. You will get 150 GB server space in Platinum plan, high bandwidth and many more to give your customers an excellent shopping experience. In another video, I will show you how you will operate your website from your backend.